turbo, finna turn it up. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up.
What's up, YouTube? The GOAT back again with another restoration. Now, if you guys were with me in my previous video at the DFW Vintage Swap Meet, you've seen that I picked these up for $5. Now, this shoe right here is called the red, white, gray cement lows. This was introduced in 2010, so this might be from my personal collection. So, all this shoe needs is a little tender love and care, a little repaint, some restoring on the soles to get the yellowing out, and it's a little creasing up here. So without further ado, let's get it. Next step, I'm going to be using this 40 valve cream. It's basically like a Salon Care 40, but it's actually cheaper, and this big old thing.
A few moments later.
Yo, Craigs, play that shit.
Run that back turbo.
Playmakers.
Okay, out of my wrist, count it and spin it.
Okay, that about sums it up for this video. If you guys have any tips or tricks to help me, you know, perfect my craft, leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about the shoe. My opinion is I think it came out better than what I've usually done because it's pretty much my first time getting the yellow out, but it's always the first. So like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.